take on your questions one by one. I've heard people getting in trouble for house parties. What are the actual laws around that? Well, basically, house parties are a very common thing that happens a lot in cities like Abu Dhabi and in Dubai and even the Ras Al Khaimah and so on. And a lot of the organizing of these house parties are your generation guys, and still our generation as well do some of them. Our generation probably learned the lesson with experience, and we had been falling in so many trouble before, so we know how to deal with it. But for your generation, I'm giving the advice. You need to be very sure who you invite to these parties, because anybody you invite to your home or to your party is part of it. And let's say you can be painted with the same brush as anybody else in your circle or in your group. So if you have the wrong people within your network and you invite them to your house for this house party, you will be perceived as their friend, or you will be perceived as in their circle. So if you invite people that you really don't know, and suddenly one of them is doing regularly crimes or regularly involved in too many trouble, you'll be questioned as well. So in general, the legalities around house parties is that you need to make sure that you're not harmful and you're not noisy to your neighbors and you're not causing any trouble and not doing anything illegal during this party. So if this party has 20, 30 people and you don't know what they do and you don't know where they're hiding and you don't know what everybody in the party is doing at all times, you have to be very careful. Of course, no one can control such a thing. That's why it is important to know for a fact, to know very well all the people that you are inviting into your house party, and the other way around. So when you get invited in the party, you have to be very careful and very sure that this party is managed and controlled and, let's say, organized by people who are not doing any crimes or any wrongdoings during this party. Because if something goes bad, everybody is in trouble. Everybody who's there. Doesn't matter if you join this crime or not. It doesn't matter if you do what they do or not. You are there, you're one of them. So be very careful. This is the most important legal tip I would give you.